I fell into a burning ring of fire. Went down, 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 and the flames they went higher. And it burns, 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 that ring of fire, that ring of fire. Loog Nation! Hey folks, it's Mr. Will with Loog Nation. We're Future Guitarist Start, and today we're working on Ring of Fire by Johnny Cash. Yeah, Beat, another Johnny Cash song. I thought this would be a great kind of intermediate lesson for those out there. It isn't quite a beginner song. There's some really tricky counting and strumming going on, so stay tuned for that. And if you're interested, we have 3 chords that we're playing and 3 sections of the song that we're playing. Chords, sections, here we go. Let's get into it. All right, this song has 3 chords, our G, a C, and a D. G, 3rd finger, 1st string, 3rd fret. C, 1st finger, 1st fret, 2nd string. D7, got 3 fingers, 2nd finger, 1st finger, 3rd finger, frets 2, 1, and 2. Okay. The progression of each section is a little different, so make sure you learn each section individually and then we'll put it all together. We're actually going to start with the chorus. Yes, the chorus, because I think it's the easiest section to learn. All right, here we go. The chorus. Thanks, Beat. Follow along with this chart. So we have 2 D7s, 2 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another bar. Then we have a C for 1 bar and a G for 1 bar. That repeats. 2, C for 1 bar, G for 1 bar. And then the rest is 7 bars of a G chord. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that's what you heard at the beginning of this video. I played it through. Let's talk about the strumming, because the strumming is the same throughout the entire song. We're going to play a 2-step feel, a down, down, up. Right? Very country, very classic country. 1, 2, and. 1, 2, and. 1, 2, and. 3, 4, and. Yeah. 1, 2, and. 3, 4, and. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. All right, let's put that together. The strum, down, down, up, down, down, up, with the chorus progression. There's the progression. We know the strum. I'm going to turn on my metronome. 3, 4. This is at 75. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, down, down, up. All right, let's do it. 1, 2, here we go. All right, so that's the chorus. You used your metronome at 75 beats per minute. The song is much faster than that, but I wanted to give you an idea of how to strum and follow along with the progression. Great job. Let's get into the intro of this song. This is where things start to get a little more complicated. We're not just playing down, down, up for 4 beats the entire time. We do have some chords that we play, we're only playing it for 2 beats. The intro goes something like this. So as you can see, Beat has marked very clearly that the C chord and the D7 chord only get 2 beats. Thanks. Yeah. So we're going to strum down, down, up for those. Not down, down, up, down, down, up. Okay, here's my metronome at 75 beats per minute. 1, 2, here we go. Let's get into the verse of this song. I know we're learning this out of order, but I'm trying to stack it so that we have the easiest progression first. Now we have the verse, which has a lot of combinations of 4 beats and 2 beats to each phrase of the verse. So this is pretty long, so Beat has broken this up into a couple of different sections. Let's learn each kind of measure or phrase at a time, okay? So the first one we're playing G, and then we're going to play a C, and then a G, and a C, and a G. The count is 1 bar of G, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. Then we have another 4 beat bar, but we're changing the chords halfway through the bar. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. So I went from G to C, and then we're going to go back to 4 beats, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. Then we play 2 beats of a C, 1, 2, and then 2 bars of a G, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. Sometimes we're playing 2, sometimes we're playing 4. Great. Keep following on with Beat and myself, and you'll get the rest of this, no problem. The next line or the next phrase is the exact same count. We're just changing now with a D7 instead of a C. 1, 2, here we go. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. Good, great. You see, it's just exactly the same. We're just changing a D7 and we're swapping that out for the C that was the first line. The third line is exactly like the first line. Now we're going back to the C chord. Here we go. There it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. Great! Now the very last part of the verse goes like this. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. It's the exact count as the intro. Let's put that all together. 1, 2, here we go. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. 1, 2, and 1. New line. hope you were able to follow along. I hope this tempo is not too fast. If you need to go slower, you can always change the settings of this YouTube channel, or you can use your own metronome and mark the tempo that you need. Maybe you need it at 60 beats per minute, or maybe this is too slow and you want to go twice as fast and get up tempo. This song clicks somewhere around 150 beats per minute. You want to know what that sounds like? I'll show you. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 150. Here we go. So we do down, down, up, down, down, up. So those are all three parts of Ring of Fire. We have our intro, we have our verse, and we have our chorus. So I want to put that all together in a play along. 1, 2, 3, 4. That was really great. I hope you were able to follow along and play at this tempo. Again, if you feel like this tempo is too fast, you can always slow it down, or if you feel like it's too slow, you can always pick it up. And our goal is to be somewhere around 150 beats per minute. Wow. So that's Ring of Fire by Johnny Cash, and here's how you play it on the Loog. As a bonus, I wanted to show you the melody of the intro, the little horn part. Da 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 da. So how does that go? Cool, let's do it. These are melodies that we're just picking out, and I'm using the G major scale. Right? And I'm gonna play the melody starting on the D, or the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. And that's just me just picking down, 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 down. And I'm gonna play the open E, the C, and back to D. Thanks, Beat, that's helpful. Da, 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 E, C, D. Good. Notice what fingers I'm using. And then I'm gonna play the open B string the same way. And then I'm gonna play a C, and then drop down to the A, which is the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and back to the open B. So the picking is the same. Good. And then we'll play that again. Da, 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 da. Yes. That's something to practice as well. A little bonus there for you. Hey, thanks for joining us today and learning Ring of Fire by Johnny Cash on your Loog. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below, and I'll be able to get back to you with a little short video or an actual written out comment, depending on what your question is. All right, I'll see you next time with a new lesson. Have a great day.